Well, I'm absolutely delighted now to be joined by the ISC Programme Chair, Dr. Steve Greenberg. Dr. Greenberg, welcome.
Thank you very much.
Isn't it fantastic to be in San Diego?
Well, it's hard to argue with it. It's a beautiful place and it's going to be a great meeting.
So, thousands of people coming for this year's meeting. You've been planning it all year round. What do you think some of the main talking points, what the main themes are going to be this year?
Well, of course, we never know until the meeting's over, and then we look back. But I think one guaranteed area of interest is going to be the results of the first ever trial of an acute stroke treatment given in the field, so given by emergency personnel, the FAST-MAG study. So we're going to hear the top line results of the study, and there's also going to be a symposium dedicated to understanding the logistics of giving a stroke treatment in the field. And if the trial is positive, I think you're going to find it really influencing the future of acute stroke treatments for the next 5 or 10 years.
Because everybody, when they're talking about stroke treatment, talk about the importance of speed in that treatment. So this would be quite a revolution, would it not?
Yes, I think the thinking behind it is that although we're sure that the treatment itself is important, but the timing may be even more important, that the brain is just much more ready to be protected early on. And even though we've gotten much better at giving treatments faster, when somebody reaches the hospital, we still can't do anything yet before they reach the hospital. And if we could change that, I think it would be a true game changer for stroke treatment.
Now, this particular conference grows each year, doesn't it? It becomes more and more important. Why do you think that is?
Well, I think it's a lot of it's the dedication of the people who put the conference together, and it's truly, I mean, we call it the ISC because it's truly an international conference, so we're able to draw the best people from not just from North America, but from Europe and Asia and outside. So it's really, I think, a reflection of the global interest in stroke and the global understanding that we need to do something to get even better than we are now.
So many people coming, as you say, from so many different countries. What are you most looking forward to this week?
Well, it's. I think you let your eye go over the program and pick out particular areas that look exciting. I think there are going to be a series of symposia that sort of address everyday questions that people have, things like diet, what's the effect of diet on stroke risk, or what's the effect of exercise after a stroke on recovery from stroke. Really basic questions where the research has continued to change the story as time has gone by.
And important for folks to come here to be up to date with that research.
Well, I think so. It's funny, we always thought that Skype would replace everything, and we found that there's really nothing that can replace face-to-face meetings. When you get to actually talk to the people doing the research, talk to people who are implementing the findings in the field, there's no substitute for that. It's what makes this such an exciting program.
Well, Steve, thank you very much indeed for joining us today. We really appreciate it, and hope you have a great week, so thank you.
My pleasure. Thank you very much.